Passion on four wheels capturing car magic. There's something undeniably captivating about the way a car moves, the way it sounds, and the way it feels. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the experience, and the thrill of the ride. Written by Magnus Walker, also known as Urban Outlaw. Magnus has spent years perfecting the art of capturing the essence of cars on film, and his insights are invaluable for anyone looking to do the same. Cars are more than machines. They are a reflection of our personalities, our desires, and our dreams. Each car has its own story, its own character, and its own soul. Their passion, power, and freedom. The roar of the engine, the sleek lines of the body, and the feeling of the wind in your hair. All of these elements come together to create a symphony of motion and emotion. Capturing that on video? That's an art. It's about more than just pointing a camera and hitting record. It's about understanding the nuances of the car, the environment, and the moment. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide will help you shoot car videos like a true enthusiast. We'll dive deep into the techniques and tools that will elevate your car videography to the next level. We'll explore the best angles, lighting techniques, and camera movements to make your car videos stand out from the crowd. From the sweeping aerial shots that capture the grandeur of the landscape to the intimate close-ups that reveal the intricate details of the car, every shot has its place. From understanding the importance of lighting, which can dramatically change the mood and feel of your video, to mastering the art of panning and tracking, which can add a dynamic sense of motion and excitement to your shots, you'll learn the secrets to showcasing your automotive love in all its glory. We'll also cover the importance of sound, as the growl of an engine or the screech of tires can add an extra layer of immersion to your videos. Get ready to unleash your inner filmmaker and share your passion with the world, one frame at a time. With the right techniques and a bit of creativity, you can create car videos that not only capture the magic of the moment, but also tell a story that resonates with viewers. So buckle up, grab your camera, and let's hit the road together on this exciting journey of car videography. Angles are everything framing your automotive star. When it comes to showcasing your car, the way you frame it can make all the difference. The right angle can make or break your car video. It's not just about capturing the car, it's about telling a story, evoking emotions, and creating a connection with the viewer. It's about finding the perfect perspective to highlight the car's beauty, power, and unique character. Every car has its own personality, and the right angle can bring that personality to life. Think of it like this. You wouldn't photograph a supermodel from a bad angle, would you? The same principle applies to cars. Each angle can reveal a different aspect of the car's design and performance. The same goes for cars. A low angle can make a car look more powerful and imposing, while a high angle can give a sense of speed and agility. They deserve to be shot in a way that flatters their best features. Whether it's the sleek lines of a sports car or the rugged build of an off-roader, the right angle can enhance these features. We'll delve into the best angles to use and, just as importantly, the ones to avoid. Understanding the impact of different angles will help you create stunning visuals that do justice to your automotive star. Get ready to discover the secrets of capturing the essence of your automotive subject. From dynamic action shots to serene stills, we'll explore how to frame your car in the best possible light, ensuring it always looks its best. Hero angles showcasing automotive majesty. In the world of automotive photography and videography, capturing the essence of a car is an art form. It's about finding that perfect angle that not only highlights the car's design, but also conveys its power and elegance. The hero angle is all about capturing the essence of the car in a single, powerful shot. This angle is designed to make the car look larger than life, emphasizing its most striking features and creating a sense of awe and admiration. This is where you make the car look its absolute best. By focusing on the car's key features, such as its sleek lines, bold curves, and intricate details, you can create a visual masterpiece that truly showcases the vehicle's beauty and craftsmanship. A classic hero angle is the low front three-quarter shot. This angle is a favorite among photographers and videographers because it provides a dynamic view of the car, highlighting both the front and side profiles in a single frame. This angle emphasizes the car's size, design lines, and front-end aggression. By shooting from a low angle, you can make the car appear more imposing and dominant, capturing its true essence and character. It's about making the car look powerful and imposing. The low-angle shot is particularly effective for sports cars and luxury vehicles, as it accentuates their aggressive stance and commanding presence on the road. Another great option is the high rear three-quarter shot, which highlights the car's curves and overall shape. This angle provides a comprehensive view of the car's design, showcasing its rear and side profiles in a flattering and visually appealing manner. Experiment with different angles and see what works best for the specific car you're shooting. Each car has its own unique features and characteristics, and by trying out various angles, you can discover the perfect shot that truly captures the vehicle's spirit and personality. Whether it's a sleek sports car, a rugged SUV, or a classic vintage model, finding the right angle can make all the difference in showcasing its automotive majesty. Angles to avoid. Don't be a shooting brake. Just as there are angles that flatter, there are angles that fall flat. Avoid shooting a car dead on from the front or rear. These angles can make the car look flat and uninteresting. Also, be mindful of your height when shooting. Shooting from too high can make the car look small and insignificant. On the other hand, shooting from too low can distort the car's proportions. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot that highlights the car's best features and minimizes any flaws. Light and background play a crucial role in setting the mood and tone of your car video. The golden hours, shortly after sunrise and before sunset, offer soft, warm light that's perfect for car photography. Overcast days provide diffused light, which is great for minimizing harsh shadows. Choose a background that complements the car and doesn't distract from it. A cluttered background can make your video look unprofessional and take away from the car's impact. Camera movements add dynamism and excitement to your car videos. Panning, tilting, and tracking shots can create a sense of speed, motion, and drama. Panning involves moving your camera horizontally, while tilting involves moving it vertically. Tracking shots are achieved by mounting your camera on a moving platform, such as a dolly or slider. Use these techniques sparingly and smoothly to avoid making your viewers dizzy. The key is to create a sense of movement that enhances the viewing experience. One common mistake is shaky footage. Use a tripod or stabilize your camera to ensure smooth, professional-looking shots. Another mistake is neglecting audio. Use a good microphone to capture the engine's roar or the sound of the wind rushing past. Finally, don't forget about editing. Cut out any unnecessary footage, add music, and color correct your video to create a polished final product. Gear Essentials, the right tools for the job. You don't need the most expensive gear to shoot great car videos, but having the right tools can make a big difference. A DSLR or mirrorless camera with interchangeable lenses will give you more creative control. A wide-angle lens is great for capturing the car's entire environment, while a telephoto lens is ideal for close-ups. A tripod is essential for stable shots, and a slider or dolly can add cinematic movement. A good microphone will capture high-quality audio, and editing software will help you piece everything together. Editing magic, polishing your automotive masterpiece. Editing is where you bring all the elements together and create a cohesive story. Use editing software to cut out any unnecessary footage, adjust the pacing, and add transitions. You can also add music, sound effects, and color correction to enhance the mood and atmosphere of your video. Don't be afraid to experiment with different editing techniques to find what works best for your style and the story you want to tell. Sharing your vision, finding your audience. Once you've created your automotive masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Upload your video to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Instagram. Use relevant keywords and hashtags to help people find your content. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Building a community around your passion for cars can be incredibly rewarding. Keep rolling. Practice makes perfect. Mastering the art of car videography takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your experiences. The more you shoot, edit, and share your work, the better you'll become. Keep pushing your creative boundaries and developing your own unique style. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your passion for cars shine through in your videos. Now, get out there and start shooting.